I'm Orlando Perez. I am the product manager for the FARO arm at FARO Technologies, and this right here is FARO's latest addition to the FARO arm product line, the FARO Edge arm. The FARO Edge arm has basically been redesigned from the ground up to be one of the most portable and most advanced technologically portable measurement device in the industry today. On top of the FARO patented features that are distinctive of FARO products, like the internal counterbalance and the internal temperature compensation that makes the arms perform in any environment without having to require temperature controlled rooms or any sort of other expensive environmental controls. We've added a ton of new features to the new FARO arm. The most noticeable one that I will show you here in a second is the fact that we've incorporated a touchscreen computer to the arm itself. So today, many people are very familiar with the concept of smartphones and smart technology, a lot of integration with computers built in and functionality and applications built into the arm. So this basically enhances the portability of the arm by including an entire suite of applications for anyone to use at any given time, basically eliminating the need to use a lot of the commonly used hand tools like calipers, micrometers, height gauges, and things like that. So in our software here, you basically can simply go in and touch the screen, select a feature, and do a quick measurement without really having to go into a computer and wait for any setup times or anything like that. So it's meant to be really quick and easy way to improve the metrology and the quality characteristics of your facility. On top of that, as you can see, the whole arm is a completely different design. It's been ergonomically redesigned as well to be a much more lighter on the user. The position of all the key components have been shifted around to distribute the weight more efficiently. So being a manually operated device, it's very important that the fatigue element is eliminated for the end user. We also introduced our brand new FARO Laser Line Probe, which happens to be attached to the arm right now. This is the FARO's latest laser line probe. It's actually revolutionary in the fact that it's the smallest laser line scanner in the industry available for a portable arm today. Basically, the arm comes with a standard handle, but you can actually easily replace the handle by a quick disconnect and add the handle with the scanner, which only adds about 2.8 ounces of additional weight into the hand, which is amazing. So it gives us a lot of data that can be used for reverse engineering, rapid prototyping, and many other applications that use point cloud. Along with the FARO arm, we also have introduced our latest iteration of the FARO line of software. It's called Cam2Measure 10, which is another complete redesign of FARO's traditional software. This one has a completely new user interface and a ton of new features that our customers will absolutely like. So in our brand new software, Cam2Measure 10, we've added now features that complement the probing capabilities that we've had in the past. Now we've added some point cloud capturing functions to our software. If you go here to the point cloud menu, you click on it, it immediately brings up our probe characteristics, and I'm going to grab the arm. The LEDs on the side of the arm actually act as indicators of which button I'm pushing, but when the laser line probe is activated, they also act as my rangefinder. So basically it becomes an integrated unit, although the LLP is removable and you can attach it any time, and it becomes one unit the moment you put it in. And it's so small that you never have to take it off when you're actually hard probing and seamlessly working over to the scan part. So when I'm aiming at the part, when the LEDs are showing the green, that means that you are in the optimum scanning range. If you move too far away from the part, they'll turn red. If you get too close to the part, they will also turn red, meaning that this is pretty much where you want to be when you do your scans. Our stripe width to capture is about 90 millimeters. So when I click on the button, it will allow me to quickly capture 3D data for this part. So you can see as I move around, it just shows up on the screen. So I can quickly capture data with our own software, and that data can be used then to create rapid prototypes, export out, and do CAD modeling, reverse engineering, and other different applications for that. But it gives you a quick and integrated way to just capture the data. Another feature that we have is actually we can do quick comparisons to CAD models by superimposing and creating annotations and color deviations to let us know how far out the deviations are from the actual part to the design intent that was originally created by the engineers. At the same time, FARO has been actually celebrating our 30th anniversary, and one of the things that we did to celebrate FARO's anniversary was we actually hired Paul Jr. from Paul Jr. Designs from the popular TV show American Choppers to build a commemorative chopper for FARO. Back when we were still in the development stages of the edge arm, we built one and gave it to them, and they used that as the inspiration for our chopper. So when you look at the FARO bike, it does have all the elements, all the styling cues of the FARO edge arm. They actually incorporated our new look with the silver fiber tubes onto the theme of the bike, and our new colors with the silvers and the grays. So they did an absolutely amazing job. And the arm was actually used a lot throughout the fabrication process of the bike. So if you wanted to learn more about the FARO edge arm or the Cam to Measure 10 software or any of the other FARO products, you can come visit us at www.faro.com, and we'll be sure to take care of you, any of your quality and measurement needs right there.